Hey Boris, what does the elves learn in the North Pole? The alphabet.
Mom and Dad, can I go to see Grandma and Grandpa?
Sure, but hold it. Did you do chores around the neighborhood to make the money back from the other week you charged my credit card with no permission?
Oh no.
That's it. You are grounded for 6 weeks.
Wah 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 wah.